Fixing Marvel Rivals disconnected 0% while loading game is really easy to fix. First thing you need to do is, as you can see, I'm on the Steam library option right here. Now, as you can see, we want to bring up Task Manager on our computer like so. And as you can see, these are all my applications that require the most CPU and memory. And you basically want to shut any of these applications down that require a ton of data. Now, once you've done that, you want to go over to the option called Run Administrator in Steam option like so. Once you've done this, it'll bring you up to this option like so, this small pop-up panel. You click on OK, and you actually want to search for the option called Firewall in the top right corner of the screen. Now in your settings, you can see you can click on firewall, and you actually want to disable your firewall like so. Currently it's enabled, and if it is enabled, it will not actually allow you to run this game. So you want to disable your firewall. Now once you've done this, you actually want to go over to your local web browser and actually type in VPN like so. Now there's a ton of VPNs that do not cost any dollars, so you basically want to get a VPN because it currently is not released in every country in the world, Marvel Rivals. So yeah, I just recommend running a VPN, and this may be one of the fixes that you may need to this problem, because it cannot launch even if you do not have the proper country, the proper region to play in.